1 cent coin sold for how much money? In this video, I'm going to show you this coin and what you need to be looking for to see if you have this coin worth $138,000. Without wasting any more time, let's just hop right into it. So this 1999 1 cent Lincoln coin was graded by PCGS at a mint state 66 red. Now it's really important to understand that the highest achievable grade in grading is 70, and this one is 4 points away from that perfect grade. In the world of coins, getting the 70 grade is very, very challenging, and understand that 66 is still a very good grade. I bring this up because the condition of your coin is so important. Each grade difference on a high caliber coin like this can mean the difference of thousands or tens of thousands of dollars. So why did this Lincoln cent coin from 1999 sell for $138,000? Well, if you're looking around the edges of the coin, you can see that it looks a bit worn down. That partially has to do with the overall error that occurred on this coin, but it's only when you flip the coin over you can see that the back is incorrect. This coin was muled with a Roosevelt dime reverse meaning the back of the coin. Now you have to be very cautious if you're ever buying or selling a coin like this, because there are people out there that will see a video like mine and try to replicate this sort of error to scam people. Now it would be challenging, but someone could theoretically slice a coin in half and weld it together and paint the back of the coin to make it appear to be like this. That's why third-party grading and authentication companies like NGC and PCGS are so critical for the hobby. They offer a money-back guarantee stating that the coin is accurately graded and the authenticity of the coin is genuine. So if you come across a coin like this, how do you sell it? Well, there's a few ways. If you're a brand new beginner, I recommend doing as much homework and research as possible and get the opinion of multiple people before you go ahead and sell the coin. Another way to sell it would be on eBay or an auction platform like Heritage Auctions, just like this one, which is the same place that this specific coin sold at. Now, I have a coin and currency mastermind class community that is now live for a limited time. Click that link below for more information and I'll see you inside.